Hi everyone, today I'm showing you how to get a bomb bun on a lazy hair day.
Me, I drink pine and ginger. And mommy for wine pan a thing, I'm gonna play that. Me, I drink pine and ginger. And mommy for wine pan a thing, I'm gonna play that. And mouth the rum and not the sorrow.
First of all, I did my hair on my almost dry hair that I just washed before, and I was really lazy. I didn't know what to do. I had to go soon, so I decided I was going to do a bun. So I used moisturizing cream, my Gorilla Snot Gel, the purple one, the purple box with the blue one, and I used some brush to slick my hair down, but I also find toothbrush / comb, little comb to do my baby hairs after all, to have a sleeker look and a really bomb bun, just like I said. So first of all, I'm gonna be moisturizing my hair with the moisturizing cream that I bought. Yes, it's for kids, but it's working as well as for kids on my hair, so I just like to use kids moisturizing creams. Anyways, now that I finished putting my moisturizing cream on, I'm gonna start combing my hair out, so I make sure that my hair is really slick on the bottom and on the top of my hair. Then once I done that, I'm just gonna add the gel and start sleeking my hair down with my hands first, and then I'm gonna pass with the brush so it doesn't put too much tension on my hair. So the gel is really gonna make it as if my hair was super tight, but I'm using this Gorilla Snot Gel, which is magic, so I just have to lay them down but not really tight, and it still looks like it's super tight and super sleek. Then I'm just gonna be tying my hair, and then I'm gonna start doing my baby hairs. And this is my final look. Thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you for the support. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and don't forget to give me a like, share, and comment, and I'll see you on the next video.